In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to count in Excel by text. Imagine you're faced with a dataset in Excel filled with various types of data, and you find yourself needing to count how many cells contain text. This task might seem daunting initially, but fear not, because Excel is equipped with functions that make it straightforward. Today we'll dive into how to accomplish this using a very handy function, countif. First things first, you'll need to have access to Excel. If you don't have it installed on your computer, there's a simple solution. You can use Microsoft 365 Online, which offers free access to Excel right from your web browser. Simply go to the free Microsoft 365 Online website. Once you're there, you'll notice an option to sign in. Clicking on this sign in button is your first step towards accessing the Excel application online. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your email. It's important here to use the email associated with your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, you might need to take a moment to create it. It's a straightforward process, and having a Microsoft account gives you access to a wealth of resources and applications, including Excel. After entering your email, click on the next button to proceed. You'll follow through the prompts to enter your password and any other necessary authentication. Microsoft takes security seriously, so you might be asked to verify your identity through a code sent to your email or mobile phone. Once you've successfully signed in, you're ready to start working with Excel. But instead of starting from scratch, let's use an example to guide us through the process. Imagine you have a document already filled with data, and you're tasked with counting how many of those cells contain text. Find your document, or for the purposes of this tutorial, open an example spreadsheet. Once you have your spreadsheet open in front of you, take a moment to observe your data. The beauty of Excel is that it allows you to manage and analyze your data in ways that are powerful yet accessible. Now, let's get to the task at hand, counting the cells that contain text. Excel's countif function is perfect for this. It's designed to count cells that meet a specific condition you set. To use it for counting text in a range of cells, here's what you do. Select a cell outside your data range to type the formula in. This is where the result of the countif function will be displayed. In our example, we will count the text in column A from cells A1 to A8. To do this, you'll type the following formula into the cell you've selected. Equal sign countif A1, A8, asterisk slave. This formula tells Excel to count the number of cells in the range A1 through A8 that contain any amount of text. The silent asterisk is a wildcard pattern that Excel uses to identify any cell where there is text present. After typing the formula, press enter. Excel will process the formula and display the number of cells containing text in your specified range. It's that simple. You've now successfully counted the number of text entries in your selected range. What's great about the countif function is its flexibility. You can adjust the range or the condition to fit your needs, making it a powerful tool for various data analysis tasks. Remember, the key to becoming proficient with Excel is practice and experimentation. Don't hesitate to try different formulas and functions to see how they can work for your specific data analysis needs. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to count cells that contain text in Excel using the countif function. With this knowledge, you're well on your way to becoming more proficient in managing and analyzing your data efficiently. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to help you become an Excel expert.